Your 20s are the most important decade for your finances, not because you're earning the most, you're probably not, but because the decisions you make right now will either cost you thousands or make you thousands over the next 30 years. Here are the 5 biggest money mistakes people make in their 20s, and exactly how to fix every single one of them. Mistake number 1. Not investing because you think you don't have enough money. This is the number 1 excuse I hear. I'll start investing when I make more money. But here's the problem. That day never comes. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Even $25 a month invested at 20 years old grows into over $87,000 by retirement. Waiting just 10 years cuts that in half. Start now. Start small. But start. Mistake number 2. Spending every raise you get. You get a raise? Amazing. But then your rent goes up, your car gets nicer, your lifestyle expands. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently destroys wealth. The fix is simple. Every time you get a raise, automatically redirect at least 50% of it to savings or investments before you ever see it in your account. You won't miss what you never had. Mistake number 3. Carrying credit card debt. Credit card interest rates average between 20% and 29% in 2026. There is no investment on earth that consistently beats 25% returns, which means paying off credit card debt is literally the best financial move you can make right now. Pay more than the minimum every single month. Attack the highest interest card first, and stop using cards you can't pay off in full every month. Mistake number 4. Having no emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, one unexpected expense, a medical bill, a car repair, a job loss, sends you straight into debt. And debt at 25% interest takes years to escape. Build a starter emergency fund of $1,000 first, then grow it to cover 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, earning 4% to 5% APY while it sits there. Mistake number 5. Not having a plan. Most people in their 20s just hope things work out financially. Hope is not a strategy. You don't need a complicated financial plan. You just need 3 numbers: how much you earn, how much you spend, and how much you save. Know those 3 numbers every single month, and you are already ahead of 80% of people your age. Let's recap. Stop waiting to invest. Fight lifestyle inflation. Destroy your credit card debt. Build your emergency fund, and make a simple plan. Fix these 5 mistakes now, and your future self will thank you in a massive way. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, because next week we're covering exactly how to build your first budget from zero in under 30 minutes. I'll see you in the next one.